What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making candied pecans. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need pecans, brown sugar, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, an egg, salt, ground cinnamon, and vanilla. In a bowl, we're going to begin by adding a half cup of brown sugar, a half cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and whisk. Whisk until all of your ingredients are combined. Be sure to break up any chunks of sugar and then place to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add 1 large egg white and whisk until frothy. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and whisk. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and whisk until combined. Add 4 cups of pecans to the mixture and stir until evenly coated. Next, add the sugar mixture to the pecans and stir until the pecans are evenly coated. Preheat oven to 250 degrees. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, evenly spread out your pecans. We're going to bake our pecans for 45 to 50 minutes, but in 10 to 15 minute intervals. Remove the pecans from the oven every 10 to 15 minutes and stir to ensure they cook evenly and don't burn. And there you have it, candied pecans. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.